Hello student, have a good day. In the topic natural product, I am completed terpenoids. Then today I am starting half part of this topic, that is alkaloids. Then in the alkaloids, I am discussing with you these points: introduction or definition of alkaloid. Here in case of definition, alkaloids are nothing but nitrogenous heterocyclic compounds having plant origin called as the and alkali like compounds called as alkaloids. This is the definition of alkaloid. The next point in this alkaloids is the occurrence. Third one is the isolation of occurrence alkaloids. Then classification of alkaloids, properties of alkaloids. Then sixth point is the general methods for structure determination of alkaloid and analytical evidence of example of alkaloid is the nicotine. Therefore, here we study analytical evidence of nicotine as well as synthetic evidence of nicotine. You remember that nicotine is a alkaloid and citral is a terpenoid. Then we study detail one by one point. In case of introduction, here scientist Misner in 1890 named alkali-like compounds of plant origin as alkaloids. Since then the definition is revised many times to make it more precise and correct. Today alkaloids are defined as physiologically active, basic, nitrogen containing heterocyclic compounds of plant origin. They are mostly optically active. Even this definition is not satisfactory due to the following reasons. First reason is number of the compound which do not contain nitrogen as part of heterocycle are considered as also alkaloid. For example, epidine, etc. Then second is the many compounds which are nitrogenous heterocycles and physiologically active are not considered as alkaloid because of their wide distribution. For example, thiamine, caffeine, etc. Then piperine is neither basic nor physiologically active but still considered as a alkaloid. Then some alkaloids can be synthesized. For example, LSD, diethylamine of lysergic acid. And fifth reason is the few alkaloids are of animal origin. Instead of plant origin, few alkaloids are a animal origin. The exact role of alkaloids in plant is not known. Possibly they may act as a defense agent against the herbivorous animals and insect, or they may be excretory products of some detoxification process, or they may even serve as a nitrogen sources. Then many alkaloids in small doses possesses curative effects, so they are of great medicinal value. For example, quinine. Quinine is used as a anti-malaria agent. Then cocaine is used as a local anesthetic. Atropine, it is dilator of pupil of eye. Then nicotine is used as a insecticide, means kill the insects. Then morphine is the pain reliever, etc. Sadly, some of them are habit formers. For example, morphine. Then illegal composition of drug is possessing serious problems through our world. This is nothing but the alkaloids. Means alkaloids having plant origin as well as the animal origin. The next point is the occurrence. Here alkaloids are basic, so occur as salt of common acids like oxalic, citric, maleic, lactic, tartaric acids, or special acid like tannin, aconitic, quininic, niconic acids as well. Very few alkaloids which are slightly basic also occur as glycosides, amides or esters. They are rarely found in lower plants. For example, algae, fungi, etc. contain alkaloids. Then they are concentrated in leaves, seeds, buds, roots and apex of the plants in case of a plant. Then third point is the isolation of alkaloid. In case of isolation, alkaloids content in a source is poor and they are not found in isolation but instead as a mixture of several alkaloids. So alkaloids isolation is a tedious job. Simple sorts of many alkaloids are water soluble but much less soluble in organic solvents, whereas reverse is a true and for free basis. This principle is made use in alkaloid isolation. The general procedure adapted for alkaloid isolation is as under. The alkaloid source is perfectly dried and finely powdered. On agiting it with dilute mineral acids, water soluble inorganic salts of alkaloids are formed and extracted into aqueous layer. The unwanted pigments and other material associated with aqueous solutions are removed by shaking with organic solvents. Then to the aqueous solution, excess of sodium bicarbonate base solution is added when free alkaloids are liberated. They are recovered by filtration or by solvent extraction. The crude mixture of alkaloid is treated either with sulfuric, oxalic, picric acid to change them to corresponding salts. The mixture of salt is subjected to fractional crystallization to isolate individual salts. The salts are decomposed by basification to recover free alkaloids. Highly pure samples in small quantities are obtained by chromatography technique or counter current distribution method. This is the isolation of alkaloids. Then after isolation, next point is the classification of alkaloid. Here alkaloids are structurally diverse and do not have common functional groups, so uniform system of nomenclature and classification is not evolved. A more useful classification of alkaloid is based on nature of heterocyclic ring they carry. Even this classification suffers as some of they carry more than one ring system. Therefore, I am showing here which heterocyclic ring is present in alkaloid. Then first, name of the alkaloid is the pyrrolidine. Here parent ring system in pyrrolidine is the pyrrolidine ring. An example of this pyrrolidine ring present in hygrine. Then second one is the pyridine. Pyridine means benzene ring containing nitrogen as a heteroatom is called as a pyridine. Then pyridine ring present in alkaloid, example is the piperine. Then third one is the pyridine pyrrolidine. Here two rings are present. One ring is the pyridine and another ring is the pyrrolidine. Then example of this type of ring present in the alkaloid is the nicotine. Means nicotine contain pyridine ring condensed with a pyrrolidine. Means our side chain of nicotine is the pyrrolidine ring. Then fourth one is the indole. Here indole containing two rings. One is the benzene ring and another one is the pyrrolidine ring. Example of this ring structure is the racer pine. Then next is the quinoline. Quinoline here benzene ring condensed with pyridine ring. Then example of quinoline ring present that alkaloid. Name of this alkaloid is also quinoline. The next one is the isoquinoline. Here in case of quinoline and isoquinoline only difference in the position of nitrogen atom. In case of quinoline position of nitrogen atom is 1 and in case of isoquinoline, position of nitrogen atom is the 2. Therefore, isoquinoline ring present in papaverine alkaloid. The next one is the tropane. I am showing the structure of tropane here. Tropane is the condensed pyridine and pyrrolidine ring. Then this type of ring present in a atropine alkaloid. Then 9 number phenanthrene. Here phenanthrene, naphthalene ring and benzene ring. This phenanthrene ring present in the alkaloid named morphine. Means morphine contain basic ring structure of the phenanthrene. And last one is the tropolone. Here example of tropolone ring present alkaloid is the colchicine. These are the classification of alkaloid present on parent ring system. You remember that only nicotine having pyridine ring condensed with a pyrrolidine ring, or side chain of nicotine is the pyrrolidine ring. Thank you for listening.